Oh, there you are. Hi guys, Shep from Tool Connection here again. Week 3, and you've guessed it, we've got some more products to show you. So the first product we're going to show you today is this cooling system pressure test kit. It's the latest one in our range. Comes with various different caps, 3 different fitments, internal, external thread, and the old original bayonet fitting thread. As manufacturers change their designs on caps and fitments, we also bring into the range new caps to accommodate, so you're never left out in the cold. So guys, select your relative cap. As we said before, they are OE fitment. Thread your cap into your header tank. Nip up with the spanner provided in the kit. And now we are ready to pressure test the cooling system. Take your pump, connect onto your header, and now we can pressurise the cooling system up to the manufacturer's specified pressure and check for leaks. So the next product we've got to show you is this new wheel nut removal kit. Comes with 2 different styles of socket, deep alloy wheel sockets with the all important shroud on, 17, 19 and 21mm covered in this kit. So with the shroud, it allows you to go into an alloy wheel, protect the alloy wheel against damage while you undo it. The second part of the kit are these small spiral drive sockets, and these are used if you've got damaged wheel nuts that are potentially rounded off, or you've got the style where the actual casing has come off the outside of the wheel nut. These will allow you to go onto the nut and the spiral drive actually drives off a different part of the nut. Once you've managed to remove the wheel nut successfully, the punch is then used to extract the damaged wheel nut from the socket. So guys, the next product we've got to show you today is this universal pulley removal tool. Essentially used for removing cam pulleys from engines, but can be used for pulling off other pulleys also. It's quite universal, multi-slots, got very small feet which lock into the pulley. You can also use it 3-leg or 2-leg, whichever the case may be, in any configuration around the slotted area of the tool. So the feet on these pegs are very shallow, so it allows you good access into your pulleys. Just rotate the tool and it locks in on its feet, which now allows you to do the centre bolt up. It tightens up onto its foot and will extract your pulley. So also, we could use this pulley with bolts. So select the correct bolt for the thread that you want to thread into your pulley, bolt it onto your pulley, and now you can use it to extract that way also. So guys, in these trying times where we may not be using our vehicles so much, we need to keep the batteries topped up. So we have a new intelligent battery charger. It covers from 6 volt to 12 volt, AGM batteries, lead acid batteries and gel batteries covered, amongst others. This charger comes with 2 sets of connectors, one there for permanent use, which that can be actually connected to the vehicle and left on the vehicle all the time, and one there with the crocodile clips, which allows it to be used occasionally. This is a great tool for either home use or workshop use. So the final product we got to show you today, guys, are these track rod end pliers from our PowerTech range. These are used for if your vehicle is involved in an accident or you've gone over a deep pothole and the track rod end was worn before, it's possible that the joint could actually pop out. So what these are used for is for actually putting the joint back together. The top of the plier there is designed to slot over the threaded part, You clamp the plier into position. You can now swing that around to the steering rack, replace your wheel. You can now steer your vehicle into position. So guys, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter. Stay connected and stay safe.